the devil's door. And how can you expect me not to eat when the forbidden fruit tastes so sweet? So let's be sinners to be saints, and let's be winners by mistake. The world may disapprove, but my world is only you. And if we're sinners, then it feels like heaven to me.